Hey guys, so here we have a problem statement of swapping two numbers. What is swapping two numbers? If I start off with A's value as 10 and B's value of 20, when I'm done, A's value should be 20 and B's value should be 10. So we can do this in two ways. One, I can use a temporary variable or a third variable, using a third variable, and the second is without using a third variable or a temporary variable. So let's see, how do I do this? I can go ahead and input the value scanf. Let's say I'm taking A as 15 and B as 20. Now I have a third variable int t. How do I swap this? So t is right now empty, and how do I swap? So B should get the value of 15 and A should get the value of 20. What I'll do now is, temporarily I'll assign the value of B to t. I'll put 20 over here. I have to take the value and put it in a safe place before overwriting it. Okay. So this operation can be done as t is equal to B. Now what I'll do is, I'll shift the value of 15 to B such that the new value is 15. This is B is equal to A, and I will override the value of A with the value stored in t. So 20. A is equal to t. That's all. As simple as that. I'm keeping B's value in a temporary variable t. I shift the value of A to B, and then I'll shift the value from t back to A. You can do this in one more method where you write t first gets the value of A, then A gets the value of B, then B gets the value of t. This can also be done. So we'll look this in the code, but before that I'll explain how do you do without using a third variable. How will you swap the values? So I am just having A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. How will I swap these values? So I'll work with addition and subtraction. You can also do this with multiplication as well as division. So first what I'll write is, A should be getting the value of both the sum of A and B. So what is the sum of A and B? 20 plus 10 is 30. So A should get the value of 30. Now to get 10 inside B, I have 30 as well as 20. What will I do if I subtract 30 minus 20? I'll get 10. So now B is going to be the current value of A minus B. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Did you see 10 has come into B? That is 10 is actually the value of A. And now what is 30 minus 10? 20. So I will write new value of A is equal to A minus B. So this is 20. Working with addition and subtraction, I have swapped the values. You can also do this with multiplication and division. Let's say A is 10, B is 20. Sometimes you can get an option, like do the swapping without using the temporary variable and do not use addition as well as subtraction. This is another way where you can write A gets the product of A and B. So what is the product of A and B? 200. Now B will get the value of A by B. So what is 200 by 20? 10. And now A gets the value of A by B. What is 200 by 10? 20. This is also another way to swap two numbers without using a third variable. Now let's see this in the code. We'll see through all these methods in the code and we'll see that it has swapped the values amongst each other. So let's start by declaring two variables int A comma B. So printf asking my user for two values. So you can just write enter two values and I'll take it as scanf %d, ampersand A comma ampersand B, and then you can do this thing of printing it before swapping and after swapping to show that it has actually swapped. So you can write A is equal to %d comma B is equal to %d, and the first one is A, second one is B. Then we can start the swapping, and let's go ahead and do the same printf statement. We'll do it later, no problem. So right now we have with the third variable. So with the third variable, I'm going to enter a temporary variable t. So like we had, first t gets the value of a, then a gets the value of b, and then b gets the value of t, which we had sent over, and copy this and paste it afterwards so that you can actually see. So you can write a statement here which is before swapping and give the values, and the same thing you can write here as after swapping and you can write the values. So let's run the program. Enter two values 10 and 20. It will print before swapping A is 10, B is 20. After swapping A is 20, B is 10. You can do the other way where you take T is equal to B first, then you do B is equal to A, and then A is equal to T. Any two values you can shift into T first. So if you're doing in this manner also, we can do 10 and 20. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. After swapping, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10. Now, we'll replace this and do the swapping without the third variable. So, how do we do that? First, A gets the value of A plus B. I'll give it space so that is easily visible. And after that, what happens? Now, A has the total value. So, first, B gets the value of that A, which is the sum of A and B minus B. And then A gets the value of A minus B. Now let's run the program. Enter two values, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and see, A before swapping A was 10, B was 20. After swapping A is 20, B is 10. Let's do the same thing with multiplication. So A is equal to A into 10, B is equal to A by 10, and A is also equal to A by 10. So run this program also and do 10 and 20, and you get A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and after swapping A is equal to 20, B is equal to 10. So you have two methods of doing without a third variable and two methods of doing with the third variable. It's all about how you plan on, placing the statement. It's just a matter of three statements, and the plus, minus and the multiplication division follows similar logic, as well as the previous one also follows a similar logic. In the previous one with the third variable, it's just a matter of A or B, which value you want to give to the temporary variable to store prior before overwriting. Here, whatever is done as addition, you can replace with multiplication. Whatever is done with subtraction, you can replace with division. Thank you.